Hi guys, and welcome to the educational intraday trade analysis video for today what I have done. Okay, so let me explain you how I have traded on today's intraday trade. Okay, so today I have done short selling on this particular chart. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is where I've entered short sell trade in the morning, and we can see here our target has been met here, and also after meeting the target, yet the price has been gone down more than 1%. Okay, so now let me explain you a bit of a brief idea why I have taken the short sell entry over this region. Okay, so firstly, as you guys can see here, we can see one price range what it has formed in this particular area on the previous day. Okay, so here this was one of an important level, as you guys can see. So this level was giving a breakdown for today, so that level was not held strong for today, and that's the reason why I have taken short sell entry once this range gave a breakout. Okay, so this was like a bit of a range bounded section what I could tell. Okay, so if you would have got a breakout above this, then the price would have gone up, but we can see here today, here the price was not holding a bit of a strong, and also lot of sellers were also coming. That I saw it in a market depth data as well. So when the sellers were coming, we can see the big red candle also has been formed here, if you guys can see in the price where I've entered. Okay, so we can see big red candle. Okay, so big red candles were also forming, showing a big indication towards the seller side here. So sellers volume increased, and once this range gave a breakout, the price did come down. So this is a trade what I've done based on my unique study and the strategy without any indicators. So we can see here almost 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 risk reward was almost followed in this particular trade range. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn more about how to trade, and if you're a beginner or want to learn and improve your trading skills, you can contact on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details. And please note, this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so if you guys are interested, you can get in touch with me personally. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.